Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. My name is Junel Diapolona. You can call me Nel. I am 19 years of living on this questionable planet. I live in the most suspicious place on Mindanao. And my previous school was in Iligan, Cagayan, what? School is Iligan Computer Institute, aka ICI. I'm a bit forgetful sometimes, but I try my best not to forget you. And the unique thing about me is literally I can laugh at the most driest joke and boneless memes. I have a weird sense of humor, but I'm not a type of guy that will say arigato in an Italian restaurant. I'm bad at making jokes, but bruh, I do still a lot of other things too, like fish keeping, arts, and learning history of World War II to modern conflicts like Ukraine and Russia and stuff. And doing these things and stuff and learning about it does make me feel unique about myself. And as always, thank you.